Good morning, students. This class we are going to see about pH scale, pH, relation between pH and pOH, ionization of weak acids. First one, what is pH scale? pH means power of hydrogen. P for power, H for hydrogen. So pH means power of hydrogen. So that pH express the concentration of hydrogen ion and also express the strength of low concentration. What is pH scale? We usually deal with acid and base solution in the concentration range of 0.1 to 10 power minus 7 molar. This is a low concentration. To express the strength of such low concentration, Sorensen introduced a logarithmic scale known as pH scale. Who is introduced pH scale? Sorensen. To express what? Strength of low concentration of hydrogen ion. pH is derived from French word puissance dehydrogen. That means power of hydrogen. What is pH? We know that the formula for pH is how to calculate the pH value. pH equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration, or pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. H3O plus concentration is similar to H plus concentration. So how to define the pH of solution? pH of solution is defined as negative logarithm of base 10 of the molar concentration of the hydronium ions present in the solution. So what again? pH equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration or minus log of H plus concentration. The next formula, H3O plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus pH, or H3O plus concentration is equal to anti-log of minus pH. So minus log comes this side, log become anti-log, so that the concentration of hydronium ion is equal to anti-log of minus pH. This two formula is used to calculate the concentration of hydronium ion. pOH can also be defined as pOH equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration, like pH equal to minus log of H3O plus ion concentration. The next one, calculate the pH of the neutral solution. Already we know that neutral solution means what? H3 plus concentration, that's equal to OH minus ion concentration. We know that the concentration of H3O plus is 1 into 10 power minus 7. The concentration of OH minus also is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 7. So this value apply in the formula of pH. What is the formula for pH? pH equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration. So the concentration of H3O plus is what? 1 into 10 power minus 7. So this value apply in the formula, so that H3O plus concentration is replaced by 1 into 10 power minus 7. Log is common for both 1 and also 10 power minus 7. So log 1 plus log 10 power minus 7. Log 1 value is 0 plus log n 10 power minus 7. So minus log of 10 power minus 7. Minus 7 comes before the log. So minus into minus plus 7 log 10. Log 10 based on 1. So that is equal to 7. So the pH of neutral solution is 7. The pH of neutral solution is 7. The pOH of neutral solution is also 7. Compare the pH of acidic and basic solution. pH of acid is less than 7. pH of base is greater than 7. The pH formula, pH is equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration, or 1 divided by, here minus, so that it will become 1 divided by log of H3O plus concentration. The negative sign, minus log of H3O plus, the negative sign in the expression indicates that when the concentration of H3O plus increases, the pH value decreases. Again, the concentration of H3O plus increases, the pH value decreases. If the concentration of H3O plus increases from 10 power minus 7 to 10 power minus 5 molar, pH value of the solution decreases from 7 to 5. In acidic solution, H3O plus concentration is greater than that of OH minus ion. Generally, acid means it represented by H plus, base represented by OH minus. In acidic solution, H3O plus concentration is greater. In basic solution, the OH minus ion concentration is greater. H3O plus concentration is greater than that of 10 power minus 7. In basic solution, the OH minus ion concentration is greater than that of 10 power minus 7. We can conclude that acidic solution should have the pH value less than 7. Basic solution should have pH value greater than 7. Explain the relation between pH and pOH. What is the relation between pH and pOH? pH plus pOH equal to 14. How to derive this? First you have to write the formulas. pH equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration. pOH equal to minus log of OH minus ion concentration. H3O plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration, that is equal to Kw, that is ionic product of water. pKw equal to minus log of Kw. The value of ionic product of water Kw equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. Now we add the value of pH and pOH. What is the value of pH? Minus log of H3O plus concentration plus minus log of OH minus ion concentration. So minus is common, is taken outside. Minus of log H3O plus concentration plus log of OH minus ion concentration. Log A plus log B is equal to log of AB. So minus log of H3O plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. Already we know that H3 plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to ionic product of water, that is Kw. So that this H3O plus concentration and OH minus ion concentration is replaced by Kw. The formula becomes pH plus pOH equal to minus log of Kw. The next formula, pKw equal to minus log of Kw. So this minus log of Kw is also replaced by pKw. The formula becomes pH plus pOH equal to pKw. How to calculate the pKw value? Already we know that Kw is ionic product of water is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 14. pKw equal to minus log of Kw So the 1 into 10 power minus 14 apply in this. So minus log of 1 into 10 power minus 14. Log is common for both. Log 1 plus log 10 power minus 14. Log 1 value is 0 minus log of 10 power minus 14. Minus 14 comes before the log. Minus and minus plus 14. Log 10 based on 1. So that 14 answer. The pKw is 14. This pKw value apply in the formula pH plus pOH equal to pKw. pKw is replaced by 14. So the formula becomes pH plus pOH equal to 14 at 25 degrees Celsius. This is the relation between pH and pOH. Calculate the pH of 0.001 molar HCl solution. What is given? The concentration of HCl is given. That is H3O plus concentration is equal to 0.001 molar. What is calculate? pH. What is the formula for pH? pH equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration. Minus log. What is the value of H3O plus concentration? 0.001. 0.001 means what? 10 power minus 3. So the minus 3 comes before the log. Minus and minus plus 3. Log 10 based on 1. So the pH value is 3. Explain ionization of weak acids. What is ionization? Ions produce. From where? Weak acids. So that weak acid combined with water and produce ion. That is ionization of weak acids. We know that weak acid means partially dissociated in water. Strong acid means completely dissociated in water. Partially dissociated means there is an equilibrium. There is an equilibrium exists between undissociated acid and its dissociated ion. Undissociated acid, that is reactant. Dissociated ion means product. Consider the ionization of weak monobasic acid in water. So this is a weak acid, react with water and to form H3O plus and A minus. So that this is an ionization of weak acid. How to write the Kc value? Product concentration divided by reactant concentration. How to write the Kc value? Product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Here square bracket indicate the concentration of the respective species in moles per liter. Square bracket indicate concentration of H3O plus, concentration of A minus, concentration of HA, concentration of H2O. Square bracket indicate concentration of the respective species. Kc formula for the equation is Kc is equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration, in which water is replaced by K. H3O plus concentration is replaced by H plus. What is the reason for replacing this? Water is replaced by K because water is in excess and it may be taken as constant. Water is taken in excess, so that it is taken as constant. H3O plus concentration is replaced by H plus because H3O plus concentration indicates that hydrogen ion is hydrated. For simplicity, it may be replaced by H plus. the concentration of H3O plus is similar to concentration of H plus. That's the reason. So that the Kc formula becomes Kc is equal to H3O plus is replaced by H plus A minus concentration divided by HA concentration, and H2O concentration is replaced by K. K value comes this side, Kc into K equal to H plus concentration, A minus concentration divided by HA concentration. Kc into K, that is equal to K. This is replaced by K. K equal to H plus concentration, A minus concentration divided by HA concentration. The K act as a dissociation constant. K is called as dissociation constant of the acid. The value of K varies only with temperature. Suppose if you consider weak base, how to write the Kb value, dissociation constant of base? Kb, that is equal to B plus concentration, OH minus N concentration divided by BOH concentration, like this. Here Kb is equal to dissociation constant of the base.